gym that specializes in grass types.
So let's get moving, okay?
Hold on, Ash, wait up!
How about I get there first?
Don't leave me behind again! Wait for me!
We're finally at the top!
Yeah, I got second place!
Looks like I get third place.
Where's Clement?
Last place!
I think you need to run more.
This must be the battlefield!
I've never seen a treetop battlefield before.
You certainly couldn't have a better grass-type gym than this one.
I guess battlefields come in all shapes and sizes.
Oh, you finally made it.
Huh? Ramos! I want to have our battle right away, please!
You've arrived just in time. Good.
Huh? Wait, Ramos!
I was given this delicious tea as a gift.
Huh? But I really wanted to have our gym battle just as soon as we got here.
No need to rush. Let's take it easy. Have some tea with an old man, won't you?
It's really nice for Ramos to offer us some tea.
It's tea time!
Looks great!
Tea breaks are always so calming and relaxing.
It was great, thank you. Now can we battle?
It would be wonderful if all you helped me tend to my garden, won't you?
Oh man, I want to have a battle now!
No. Ash, you mustn't yank the weeds out so carelessly.
Huh?
Look closely. See? If you get all caught up with the things that are right in front of you, you may lose sight of what's important.
Lose sight of what's important.
You see, the first thing you need to do is calm your mind. If you observe closely with a calm mind, you'll be able to discern the important things, especially during gym battles.
Right, I get you now.
So, how about that gym battle of ours?
Great, thanks a lot.
The Coumarine gym battle between Ramos, the gym leader, and Ash, the challenger, will now get underway.
Look after Gumi for me, alright?
Leave it to me!
Gumi, I know you want to become really strong, so make sure you watch our battle.
Both trainers will have the use of 3 Pokemon. Furthermore, only the challenger will be permitted to substitute Pokemon.
Ramos specializes in grass types, so I know which 3 Pokemon to use.
Well, have you decided which Pokemon you'll go with?
Yep, I'm ready.
So why don't we begin? Now, jump up! Let's go!
Who's that Pokemon?
Jumpluff, the cottonweed Pokemon. Jumpluff drifts around the world with the seasonal winds. It releases cottony spores as it travels.
He's using Jumpluff, so Fletchender, I choose you!
Wow, Ash is using Fletchender.
It's a flying type and a fire type, so it has a big advantage over grass-type Pokemon.
Go, Ash! Battle hard!
And now, battle begin!
Fletchender, use Flame Charge!
I see what Ash is doing. All right, jump up. Use Cotton Guard.
Didn't do a thing!
That should have been super effective. What's happening?
Because Jumpluff used Cotton Guard, that allowed it to raise its defenses.
Now, battle begin!
Fletchender, use Flame Charge!
I see what Ash is doing. All right, jump up. Use Cotton